Hi friends, welcome back to my session. And before of this session, what we had discussed, snapshot about what is a snapshot and how we are going to create the snapshot. Everything we had discussed in the last class. And in snapshot we have two types. That is one is manual snapshot and the automated snapshot. How we are going to create the manual snapshot at the same time. How we are going to create the automated snapshot with the help of lifecycle manager. Everything we had discussed in the last class. So and in the current session we are going to discuss about the volume management. Volume management is nothing but increase the capacity of the EBS volumes at the same time. If we want to done any modifications regarding change the EBS volume type from the one thing to other thing. So how we are going to change everything we are discussing in the current session. So just we can quickly jump into the session. Just click on EC2. We will get the EC2 dashboard. Just please have a look. We have how many volumes we have, how many snapshots we have. Total I have 11 volumes available in my account right now, and I have one snapshot, and this is not required for right now. And I have 3 instances running on my mission, and 3 instances are running in different availability zones. Those three are uh, okay, one available zone, one B available zone, one C available zone. So I think for one mission I had already connected, for which IP 0.238. This is which mission? I think server 2A. Yes, server 2 has been already connected, and at the same time I am going to connect to the server 1 also. Just click the IP. Then RDP. RDP is the only protocol where remote desktop protocol where we are using to connect to our remote missions. Just click on connect, and it will ask the password. So we have the password with us. So this is the 1A password, and just copy the same and paste here. Then you will be able to connect to the mission. Just click on S. Then right now I had connected to the two different missions. So as you know, the AWS volume from one availability zone will be connected to the mission which is in the same availability zone only. So okay, right now I have the two missions which I have connected. So whatever the mission I want required, I will be able to connect to that mission. So this is the 1A mission. If I check here, okay, I think two volumes are there. Okay, if I want to attach one EBS volume, uh, it is already attached to the one existing mission. So if I want to attach to the another ECT mission, multi-attach is not supported. So if I first of all I need to detach from the existing mission, then furtherly once it is free, then only I will be able to connect to the mission to the another ECT instance, but it will be in the same availability zone only. Okay. And what is volume and everything we had discussed, we are going to discuss. So volume management is a process of increasing the size of the EBS volume and changing the type of the EBS volume. So we will be only able to increase the size of the EBS volume, and at the same time we can't be able to decrease the size of the existing EBS volume. You need to remember this point. And at the same time, changing the type of the EBS volume means we have the different types of EBS volume available now. The one is GP2, GP3, IO1, IO2, magnetic HDD, uh, throughput HDD. So last one is of previous generation magnetic HDD. So we have different types of we have mostly 7 types of EBS volumes are available in the market. So if I want to change my EBS volume type from one GP2 to GP3 or GP3 to IO1, everything will be possible. So but there is somewhat changes. So and we cannot modify the volume twice in a 6 hours window. Suppose just now I had modified my volume. So then after that I had done one more modification to my volume. But if I again try to modify the same, that will not work out. It will take some minimum. If I done consequently two changes in a 6 hours window, then I need to wait for some 6 hours of time. Until unless I will be not, it will not allow to change the modification. It will take some time. Minimum we need to wait the 6 hours after consecutive two changes. We mean just please clearly understand. We can add modify the volume twice in a 6 hours window. For every in a 6 hours window, we can be able to modify only twice. If I want to modify in other than that, I can't. The AWS will not allow to modify the changes. Okay. So what are the possibilities we have? We can be able to in the practical manner. Okay, increase the size of the EBS volume 1 GB 1A to 7 GB, which is already attached to server 3. Just right now in our scenario, what happened? I think the one mission has been already attached. So instance ID is BD8. BD8. Just please look into and click on volumes. So how many are in use? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 volumes are there. Out of 5, 3 are root volumes because of OS is running, and 2 are EBS volumes. Just please have a look. 1 GB GP2 1A. This has been attached to this has been attached to BD8, means the server 1. It has been already attached. If you want to check, you can. So just click here, then automatically you will be able to, the disk has been increased. Means I am getting the 1 GB. Suppose my I want the additional required space. I want to change the volume size from 1 GB to some whatever the GB I want. I am going to increase. How I will do? Just log into the Amazon AWS portal. Click now. Modify volume. Just click on modify volume. How much GB I have right now? I have 1 GB. I just modify to 5 GB. Modify. Okay. Okay. 1 GB, GB to 1A. It is in modifying stage right now. Volume stage is in use, and at the same time modifying stage only, and it will take some time to get it modified. So until just we will wait and we will check it. Okay, it's optimizing and in use only, and once it is done, it will turn into the active in use in green color. The green color indicates it is available for use. At the same time, we are going to check here, is the size of the machine has been increased or not. Then automatically once the data has been means once the volume has been upgraded, then the same will need to be reflected here. So we will have a look on this. It's not at all done. Okay, I think just refresh the machine once again. 1 GB GP2 1A. It's in optimized state only. So if the volume state has been changed, it will be indicating here. So then after that, I will be connected to the mission and I will check the same. In the meanwhile, I'm going to check the second mission. So is any disk attached to this? Yes. Just click on this PC. The volume disk. It has 1 GB of drive. Okay. And for this, I'm going to change the property. So just Amazon page. So this is the volume which has been attached to the snap this instance in the available region 1B. Okay, and right now it is in the in use. What I will do, modify volume. So earlier what I had done, I have just changed the size of the volume. Right now what I will do, I am going to change the GP2 to IO1. 4 GB. At the same time, I am going to change the size as well. and maximum allowed IOPS for a size 4 GB volume is 200 only. Okay, 200 modified. Everything I had modified for this, and whenever you change it, it will be in the modifying state. Okay, and it will take some time to get it reflected. Once it has been reflected, the same will be we will be able to see here. So here the same 1 GB is reflecting because of in AWS is still it is updating. So it once it has been updated, the same will be replicated here. Okay, and at the same time for every 6 hours of window of time, we will be able to done the modification only twice. If I tried more than that limit, then the AWS will not allow us to change the modification. Okay, just please have a look on this. Just click on any server 1A, and not the server 1A, yes, server 1A. And if it is any root volume, you can find as a DEV by SDA1. Then it will be as a root volume. Okay, you can consider like that. And in the meanwhile, just please have a look on this. Is it will be still modifying stage only, and it will there is no change in state. So once it has modified, the same we are going to check. So I think one has been updated. So what it is? So the thing for 1A server, I just change it from 1 GB to 5 GB now. I think this has been updated to 5 GB. Okay, right now it is in use. So the same I am going to check for the mission 1A. Uh, just I am going to check here. Just click on disk management, dask mgmt.msc. Then actually it is 5 GB online, but 4 GB is unallocated. Okay, the 4 GB will be, even though it has been allocated, but it is unallocated now. Just a moment, it's loading. New simple volume. Next, 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 next. Just the process running on. So it has been disconnected. Just I'm going to connect it once again. Just click on connect. So as I have the password with me, so I'm entering the same password right now. So this is the password for server 1A. Okay, just click on S. Then the machine will be connected. Okay, it is showing 5 GB now. Just click on close. Continue and confirm. Confirm or start browsing. Just minimize the screen. And the new volume has been created. So I am adding the 4 GB of additional disk to this now. So in this way, I will be able to add. At the same time, if I want to merge with the same additional disk, then that to be I will be able to do that. Okay, the both possibilities I have. And ju- just to open the snapshots. Just I'm opening the what I'm going to open. Just click on volumes. So for one more thing, I had changed it now. So is it done or still modification stage? And it will be available. So I'm going to the server 2 mission as well. I'm just opening this and just open the whenever I had attached it to the mission, it will not immediately attach. So disk mgmt.msc. Type in the search bar, then automatically you will be able to get it. So 3 GB is unallocated. So and just if I want to do it for the same system, then D. I'm going to select. I'm going to create the additional. Actually, here D drive has been already used now, so that's why I'm going to just click on the next. Then click on next, finish. Then automatically the 3 GB will be adding as a new additional disk to me. In this way, I'm going to extend my screen, means extend my disk space. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the session. Okay, thank you for joining the session. Bye bye.